So what's up, guys? So today we're unboxing the Lark M2 microphone. Yeah, let's see how I'm going to sound, after I connect that microphone. Okay, I see. Now I see, my man. What is that? Some papers were here for you. Don't be here for me, please. Okay. So this is the case. Pretty, feels pretty cheap. Not that bad, but pretty cheap. But the most important thing is I'm going to sound okay. That's the most important thing. I can try it, And okay, some bag. I know what is that. Okay. And okay. My nose is running, guys. So I'm not sure how to connect this. I don't want to call it shit, but I hate when it's like that, Okay, so I guess you know what is that, guys. You know for sure what is that. La 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 la. Yeah. I'll put it, and this is the magnets. Yeah, this is the magnets. I don't like what that is so sticky, and it's not open. You just need to rip it off. That's the only way, So the way you connect it is something like that. You take this port, the another port should go something like that, Yeah, I see. Okay, let's try to connect it. Well, this, what is this? I'm not sure what is that. Okay, I see. So this is neck less or magnet, so you can hang it from your neck. Good shit. Yeah, it's not that bad, actually, the material. Yo guys, I just connected this microphone, Lark M2. Yeah, you just tell me how I sound, you know. I think it's better than the normal microphone on iPhone. Yeah, I just can't wait to buy some gaming PC and, you know, start doing CS streamings and FIFA streams for you guys when I have free time, you know, except my trainings. Yeah, but let me know, guys. I just try to do some videos and sometimes I just don't know. I don't have any ideas, you know. Don't have any ideas, so I can. But maybe if I get enough likes, I would say, and subs, I just need 21 more subs so I can start streaming, you know. Yeah, guys, let me know down in the comments what you want to see except boxing, you know. Peace.